Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your BMW key fob. These two are going to take a 2032, and this one is going to take a 2450. You can get all these batteries off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. I also think a small flat tip screwdriver is helpful as well. So on this one, you open it up here. You take that key and you can just push the key right here. Just push that out like that. Now you have access to your battery. For this one, you want to flip it over and press this silver button here. Slide this portion down. And I like to take this mechanical key here, remove that, and then stick it right here. Give that a twist, and that'll get this tray moving. You can just slide that back in once you replace your battery. Clip that in there. And then this one, again, you want to press that button, slide your mechanical key out. Now pushing this back half off here is a little bit trickier, but there are two small little tabs here. You just want to get under one of those. Just push the back half off like that. Now for this one, you really do need the screwdriver to pry the old dad battery out. You can just do it just like that. Make sure you place the new one positive side up for this one, positive side down in the tray for this one, and then positive side up for this. So to put this one back together, put the top portion in, give that a good clip, put your key back in. Well, I got the tabs out there. There you go. This one, you just want to push like this. You're locked in. And for this one, you can either take your screwdriver or the mechanical key. Put the new battery in positive side facing upward just like that. Put these top pieces in. Give it a good squeeze together. Then put your key back in. And you're all set. There's no need to reprogram any of these. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.